Please welcome your host, LiWen! Thank you so much. Hello there, it's LiWen from DanceInsanity and welcome to Footwork Friday. If you want to do the Suzie cue correctly, you need to be cute. I'm going to show you how to do the Suzie cue. The footwork, the timing, and then we'll dance this all to music. Start with your weight on the left foot. Then you're going to cross your right, step side on the left, and cross your right again. Then you're going to cross your left, side on the right, and cross the left. Let's see that one more time. And weights on the left foot, and cross right, side left, cross the right, cross left, side right, and cross the left. Good, 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 good. One more time. And cross, side, across, across, side. Oh, is it across again? Oh yeah, it is. One more time. Cross, side, cross. Go the other way. Cross, side, cross. Nice. So left, right. Just keep switching weight and you're good to go. What's salsa timing? I know. It's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. What happens on the 4 and 8? They go a bye-bye. The Chinese girl doing the hot salsa moves. How appropriate. Now, with timing, 1, 2, 3. Hold the 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold the 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Give it 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If your hips want to move, let them go crazy. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's your timing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Music, please. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7. Hey, what's that? 30-day cha-cha challenge. Click the link right here to enroll in our 30-day cha-cha challenge. Pew, 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 pew. Get your cha-cha fix in 30 days. And also, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, your hand, and do a little click. Subscribe. On our subscribe button, click the bell so you will get notified whenever our videos come out. And if you have a friend that you haven't seen in a long time, then send them this video. Great dancing with you wherever you are, and I'm LiWen from DanceInsanity signing off. I will see you in the next